The Ancheer Sunshine offers a versatile and powerful ride, suitable for adults seeking efficient commuting or adventurous mountain biking experiences. With its robust electric system, riders can enjoy up to 50 miles per charge using low pedal assist, thanks to the removable 48-volt 374 watt-hours battery and 500-watt brushless geared motor, capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. This electric bike provides flexibility with 4 working modes: pedal assist mode with 5 power levels, throttle mode, cruise mode, and pure pedal mode. The LCD digital display conveniently shows gear position, speed, and mileage, enhancing the riding experience with intelligent features. Designed as a mountain bike, the Ancheer Sunshine boasts an aluminum alloy frame for lightweight durability and a high-strength carbon steel fork for stability. Its 21-speed transmission system allows riders to adapt to various terrains, while the front and rear disc brakes ensure safety. The 27.5-inch by 2.1-inch tires offer stability and traction on different surfaces. An innovative PX54 integrated waterproof line and lockable suspension fork design provide convenience and adaptability to different road conditions. Additionally, the bike's easy assembly process, with 85% pre-assembly, ensures a hassle-free setup for users. In summary, the Ancheer Sunshine combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, this electric bike offers a smooth and enjoyable ride.